Imagine waking up to money in your account. You didn't trade hours for it, it just appeared. That's passive income. It's the key to freedom and flexibility. No more alarm clocks or boring commutes. You're in control. YouTube offers an amazing opportunity for passive income. Imagine earning while you sleep, travel, or spend time with loved ones. It's not a pipe dream, it's a reality for many YouTubers. The beauty of passive income is its ability to compound over time. The more you create, the more you earn. It's a snowball effect that can lead to financial freedom. So, are you ready to unlock your earning potential? Let's dive into the world of YouTube automation and faceless videos to see how you can make this dream a reality. YouTube automation is like having a team of tireless workers, except it's all powered by technology. It's about streamlining your content creation and uploading process. Think about tasks like video editing, keyword research, and social media promotion. You can automate these using software and online tools. This frees up your time to focus on creating high-quality content. Automation doesn't mean sacrificing quality, it's about working smarter, not harder. By automating repetitive tasks, you can maintain consistency and upload frequency. This keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Camera shy? No problem. Faceless videos are your secret weapon. You can create amazing content without ever showing your face. Think about it. You can use animation, stock footage, screen recordings, and voiceovers to create engaging videos. This opens up a world of possibilities, even if you're uncomfortable on camera. Faceless videos also offer scalability. You can outsource the creation process to freelancers while maintaining control over your brand and content. This allows you to produce more videos and reach a wider audience. Starting your journey, a roadmap to YouTube success. Ready to start your YouTube automation journey? Here's a simple roadmap to guide you. First, niche selection. Choose a niche you're passionate about and that has the potential for monetization. Next, content strategy. Plan your content calendar and decide on the types of faceless videos you want to create. Then, automation tools. Research and invest in tools that streamline your workflow, such as video editing software and keyword research tools. After that, content creation. Create high-quality, engaging videos that provide value to your target audience. Finally, promotion and growth. Optimize your videos for search, promote your channel on social media, and engage with your viewers. Remember, success takes time and effort. Be patient, stay consistent, and never stop learning. The world of YouTube is constantly evolving, so embrace the challenge and enjoy the journey. Your passive income empire awaits. YouTube automation and faceless videos offer an incredible opportunity to unlock passive income and achieve financial freedom. The tools and resources are at your fingertips. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Take action today. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your channel grow. Your dream life awaits.